Hello, friends! Today we are going to count 11 to 20. To learn properly, watch till the end. 11. Say again. 11. 12. Say again. 12. 13. Say again. 13. 14. Say again. 14. 15. Say again. 15. 16. Say again. 16. 17. Say again. 17. 18. Say again. 18. 19. Say again. 19. 20. Say again. 20. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Good job. Now you can count from 11 to 20.
To learn more, please subscribe our channel.